Good morning everyone, welcome to Coline's Yoga. Today I have for you an easy 5-minute video on the 5 most basic postures in yoga and to help you practice your own stretches at home. Let's get started with the first posture, which is a seated posture. All you're going to need for this one is a little cushion or pillow or even a blanket that you're able to fold. And we're going to place it behind us, just underneath the buttocks, so you're sitting up on the edge of it, just so that your hips come off the floor a little bit and it makes it easier for you. You have a few options here to be seated. We can either sit cross-legged, if that's comfortable for you, or you can also bring both legs and knees onto your mat, so one in front of each other, and release the shoulders here, or we can also bring a foot on top of the leg into half lotus pose. This was our first posture. Let's get going into a second one. You can get rid of that pillow. We're going to come up onto our knees in what is called all-four position. So the knees are about hip distance apart. The hands are just below the shoulders, so your arms are in a straight line, and the feet are all nice and flat and parallel. We're now going to tuck the tailbone under and bring the back into a flat position, so gently stretching the spine from the tailbone all the way up to the top of your head into a long straight line. And this is your all-four position. We're going to go into the third posture, which is the child's pose. We're going to start by bringing the feet together. Don't move your knees, keep them where they are. And we're going to move back to sit down onto our feet. And once your buttocks is on your heels, you can walk your hands forward. Bring the forearms and elbows down. Release the head down. If you cannot reach all the way down onto your mat, you can also just grab hold of your arms and rest your head down on your arms. And this is a posture where you should feel comfortable and relaxed, because you should be able to stay here for a few breaths and release the whole body. It's what we called a counter posture or recovery posture. So make sure you're comfortable. Tuck your tailbone under to gently round the spine and just breathe and enjoy here. Let's keep going and move up to a fourth posture. Coming back onto all fours. This time we're going to tuck the toes underneath the feet and push up using both arms and legs and come into a downward facing dog. Into the downward facing dog, you want the feet to be parallel, about hip distance apart. We're going to push the heels down into the mat, but if they cannot reach the mat, don't worry, just work into it. And then the hands are going to be parallel, the arms are going to be nice and straight. We're going to lift the hips up towards the sky and keep the knees really soft, so you're not pushing too hard onto your knees. And this is your downward facing dog. Let's move into our fifth posture. For that, you can walk your feet forward. Take your time, keep your knees slightly bent. And then we're going to gently bring the head forward as well. Release the arms, bend the knees even more, and pushing gently and slowly onto both feet to come up. You can take the arms up as well. Take a deep breath in. Take the gaze up to your fingertips. And this is your standing posture. You want to lower the shoulders, so push the shoulders away from the ears. And remember, we're going to tuck the tailbone under to keep the spine long and straight. And this is called Tadasana, the mountain posture. And this is it. This was our 5 postures for today. Thank you so much for watching. You can send me your comments in the comment box below. You can hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share either if you've enjoyed it. I also do a live practice every morning of the week at 6:30 GMT time. So please come and join me for this. And also you can follow me on social media. It's Coline's Yoga. So looking forward to seeing you again. Thank you so very much.